Here I am at 681 Anderson Street. Let's take a look inside. Front porch. Front hallway. Let's go to the left first. Got a front room here. And across the way, we have another room. This one does have a closet. Let's go a little bit deeper into the house. To the right, we have another room. And this one also has a closet. Looks like it used to be a pass-through. And a door to the, oh, never mind, a window. That's just a door leaning up against the window. There's a small built-in bookcase here. Keep going, and then down to the left, got another room. This one's ceiling is more intact. This one has the closet here. All right. Then we keep going towards the end of the hallway here, and to the right we've got the kitchen. All right, and here's a view from the backyard from the kitchen. View of the backyard. Next up, we've got this small room here. Looks to be a bathroom that is in need of a new toilet, sink, tub. All right. The hallway here, the attic is a bit exposed. Let me see if I can get you a view up there. Take a look at the roof. And then we've got this little room. Looks like utility closet, with a spot for, I think, a washer and dryer. There's an outlet over there. All right, and then we have the back door here. Let's take a look on the exterior of the property. see over there. Take a look under the crawl space. Here's the back of the house. There's another view of the backyard. You can see through the tree line there to the other property. And that completes the tour. Let me know what you think.